A very important law in electrostatics is the Coulomb's law. It is to calculate the electrostatic force between the charges. In the picture, you can see two charges Q1 and Q2, and it is separated by a distance r. We know that if we have two positive charges, it will repel, or if we have two negative charges, also it will repel. If you have a positive and a negative charge, then it will attract. Anyway, there is a force. So to calculate that force, we use this equation Fe, which is the electrostatic force. You can simply use F also, no problem. F equals K, magnitude of Q1 times Q2. These two lines means magnitude divided by R square. So if you are taking the magnitude, no need of taking the positive or negative sign of the charge. Even if you take the sign, there is no problem. A negative value of force means the force is attraction. A positive value of force means the force is repulsion. Okay, so there is no problem there. Now, this K is called the Coulomb's constant. It is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, where epsilon 0 is called the permittivity of free space. Its value is 8.85 times 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square divided by Newton meter square. When we give all these values to K, we will get a value for K like this. K is equal to 9 times 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square over Coulomb square. So it's better to use this number in mathematical questions. So the value of K is 9 times 10 to the power 9. Here we have only two charges. But if there are more than two charges, then it is very difficult to calculate the force. So we apply the superposition principle. Look at the picture. We have two positive charges Q1 and Q2 and a negative charge Q3. So to find the total force on Q3, we will take the algebraic sum of force on Q1 to Q3 and force on Q2 to Q3. So here in the picture, you can clearly see that there is a force from this positive charge to the negative charge, which is F13. And there is a force from this positive charge to this negative charge, that is F23. So the total force will be the sum of these two forces. This is superposition principle.